What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the problem when your headphones don't work on Windows 11. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, close any application that could be using or blocking your headphones, such as games or Adobe Audition. Next, open up your Windows settings. In the System section, click on Sound. Make sure that your headphones are showing up in this list of output devices. Next, select your headphones and ensure that they are set to your default sound device. In your output settings, set the format to 2 channels, 16-bit, 44,100 Hz or 48,000 Hz, whichever is available to you. Your output volume should be clear and make sure to set the left and right channels to the same value. Below, set the Audio Enhancements option to Device Default Effects if this option is available to you. If the problem persists, head back to your sound settings and select Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems for Input Devices. This will take a moment to detect common audio problems for your headphones and might apply some settings to fix these issues. Next, navigate to the Windows Update section while still in your settings. Proceed to download the latest update before restarting your PC. This will install the latest drivers for your audio device and restart all processes running on your system. If you wish to connect Bluetooth headphones, navigate to the Bluetooth and Devices section of your settings. Remove the device and restart the pairing process if your headphones are already connected. If none of these steps helped you out, you will have to install the latest drivers for your headphones manually. Open up your Windows Device Manager. On this window, expand your audio inputs and outputs. Next, right-click your preferred microphone and select Update Driver. On this window, select Search automatically for drivers, which will take a second to download and install the latest microphone driver in case one is available. Some applications on your PC will not use your default output device. I will use Discord in this example, but this will apply to any other application running on your PC. Navigate to your user settings. In the Voice and Video section, ensure that the correct audio output device is selected. Below, change the volume and some additional settings to make sure that your headphones work when using any application on your PC. Lastly, your headphones might need to be fixed or properly connected. Changing the connection method, such as changing the USB slot for your headphones or using another PC altogether, can help troubleshoot if this problem is hardware related. If you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.